my name is Anya and today I really want to make some red velvet cookies. So I'm also going to try and put the icing inside of the cookie so it's almost like an inside out cookie. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 1 1/4 cup of flour, add in 1/4 cup cocoa powder, a half a teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with half a cup of butter, add in a half a cup of sugar and 1/4 cup brown sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add in your dry ingredients and mix until a smooth dough forms. Add in a few drops of red food coloring and mix until well combined. In a bowl with 4 ounces of cream cheese, add in 1/4 cup of butter and mix until smooth. Gradually add in 8 ounces of icing sugar and mix until smooth. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Place in the fridge for about 30 minutes just to firm up slightly. Flatten a piece of dough onto your hand and place a teaspoon of your chilled cream cheese filling. Form into a ball and place on a baking tray. Do this for the rest of the dough. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 17 minutes.